I never thought about it, ki such kind of love and adulation that I'll be receiving. These two shows have given me something that I never imagined.
So, what was your reaction when you read the script, knowing that he will be getting killed?
I was shattered that
Yeah.
the journey will end with this season. I got my first film when I was studying in FTI, and I thought कि फिल्म वहां से निकलते निकलते फिल्म रिलीज होगी एंड चीजें एकदम चकाचौंध रहेंगी. लोगों को समझो, लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट दो, उनको इज्जत दो और उनके नजरिए को समझो. कमाल वहां करो, बाकी कमाल खुद ही हो जाएंगे. That's what I
You sound like संदीप भैया again, you know. I mean, कितने अच्छे से आपने preach किया तो. Congratulations for aspirants as well as the family man. I love the authenticity that you brought in both of the shows. It's been months now since the release. So what are people telling you? How has the response been?
I think the response has been really overwhelming. I never thought about it, कि, such kind of love and adulation that I'll be receiving. But of course, you always put in your full efforts, full heart, 100% to all your roles, and in lieu of that, you just need that at least people watch it and acknowledge it. Appreciate and all is sone pe suhaga, but that is also enough. But
Yeah.
these two shows have given me something that I never imagined, and I feel really happy, and I feel assured that I have been on the right path, and I feel a lot of grace and a lot of blessings, and in gratitude, complete gratitude.
So, coming to Family Man, it's also been said that this is the first time a second season has become a rage, because generally what happens is a show often falls flat with a sequel. It's been really well received. So, how do you look at this? Did you anticipate it that the second season will also do so well?
Actually, the makers are really brilliant. Raj DK and Suman and the team. The entire team is fabulous, and after doing Family Man 1, I think Raj DK sir also got a knack of OTT platform, how to do things, and they have a really peculiar way, not peculiar, a unique way to go about things. I don't think anybody follows that approach.
Yeah.
So I think that their trust towards their craft and their understanding towards the scripts is speaks volumes about them after you see the show. So I think that we already knew, and I was always a huge fan of their work. 99 Go Go Gone and Shore, from short film. That short film Shore to that feature film. So I have seen their work, and I had always been their ardent fan. So I think I was anyway sold, and but I think they really do things to perfection, and they have that uniqueness of quirky cinema and witty cinema. At the same time, they will not um, the scenes will not, they will make sense as well. It's very difficult to just to combine humor, wit, and sense. So that I would like to say that they have mastered over that. So and season 2, I think these people saw. I mean, I had only seen the dubbing scenes. So they all told us that ki, बहुत अच्छा है, and like both their wives, Anuradha and Shamli. So both of them, they said that the second season बहुत अलग बना है, and they are such kind of people, they would not generally praise. They were first season also उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा वो नहीं बोला था, but when they said about second, then I thought कि हाँ, even Manoj sir told us कि बहुत अच्छा है. So we were only hoping कि हमारे हाथ में तो बना देना ही है अच्छे से, और हमारे हाथ में तो और भी कम, सिर्फ अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर देना. So I don't think so the pressure of any iota of pressure was there on us, but definitely on them. And I think they have absorbed that pressure and come out with flying colors. It's easy to. I think it was an absolute thriller show. I mean, it was exhilarating to watch. You know,
True.
the entire show. It's a binge-worthy show, I would like
Yeah.
to say.
You know, the moment I was getting emotionally attached with Milind, he gets killed. So, what was your reaction when you read the script, knowing that he will be getting killed?
Of course, I was shattered that
Yeah.
the journey will end with this season, but at the same time, I was happy because it was an important and interesting twist to the show at the same time. So
Yeah.
I thought, let's not be greedy and let's just focus on a project to be better
Yeah.
than your role to be better. So I stuck to that, and I actually like that plot point because that's a that's a big surprise. People
True.
are taken aback. That's what I at least got to know from people's reactions, and many people didn't like the fact as well that I died. But what to do?
Yes.
But I think that's Raj and DK for you. They surprise you with their
Unpredictable.
sometimes humor, sometimes wit, sometimes twisty plots. So yeah.
Mm-hmm. So Sandeep Bhaiya, Milind, and again Santosh from Pinky Mensap, all these three characters are very impactful and talk about survival. Is it a coincidence that all three of them align that way?
Well, maybe God had some plans. Maybe He gave uh, Santosh to me first, then Milind first, and then Sandeep Bhaiya came. I don't know. होंगे उनके कुछ plans, but I have only learned from all these characters and grown. And then, um, I've always focused on bettering myself, not just as an actor, but as a human being, because I think these both things go hand in hand.
True.
So maybe there was a plan. I don't know. I have learned one thing: just go with the flow, and whatever comes your way, embrace it with open arms, and just maneuver through the things that come your way. So I do that.
Mm-hmm. So, how do you approach a character or choose a script?
अदिति जी, अब तक तो ऐसा मौका बहुत कम मिलता था कि
हाँ.
ऑफ कोर्स आपको जितने ऑप्शंस रहते हैं उसी में से आप चूज कर सकते हो, बट डेफिनेटली माय माय my thing has always been people.
Mm.
I I first of all, and that also I learned with the process. I think in 2019 Jan,
Mm.
that New Year resolution करते हैं ना सब लोग. So I had decided कि you know if I have to work with people, na, they have to be, and as in not only they, I have to be. We all have to be in sync.
Yeah.
Passion, unka kya, what is their intent, and what is their the drive to make the project. So all these things matter, at the end of the day, to that they impact the kind of project which is being made. So I first go with people, and then I read the script, and then I see my role. And as much possible, if I can choose, I do. But at
Mm-hmm.
times it's not possible. But I guess um, uh, things are getting better. So I'm only happy about it. But still, I don't think so. I'll be choosing scripts. I feel that probably the scripts will be choosing me. That's what I feel. I don't know.
Okay. It's really interesting to see that the characters you have picked and the choices you have made in terms of choosing a project or a script, they are making you stand out. आपने काफी impactful characters portray किए हैं. So now, are you a lot clear in your head about rejecting a lot of things?
um, I'm not focusing on rejecting. Yeah, I'm focusing on accepting the
Okay.
scripts.
हाँ.
So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there is no particular way.
हम्म.
It's about the vibe. At the end of the day, I think uh, here on I will only go with the vibe. एक feel आती है,
हम्म.
मजा आता है कि हाँ, और फिर वही चीजें लोगों के साथ होती हैं, फिर वही चीजें स्क्रिप्ट के साथ होती है. So I'm not planning anything.
हम्म.
And I just want to be in surrender and just be open for things to happen. So I'll let it happen.
You've been around for a decade now and you have been part of prolific movies, but honestly, I must say it took a while for you to get all this visibility and recognition coming your way. So, how did you stay patient all this while?
I told myself, probably you're not ready, buddy. You need to prepare
Okay.
more. You need to get better. In order to, do better roles, do better films, or meteor roles. I
Mhm.
always used to tell myself कि you're not ready because ये चीज जो है ना एक
Hmm.
पॉजिटिविटी मेरी मदर से मुझे आई है खैरात में और हार्ड वर्किंग डेडिकेशन एम्बिशियस ये मेरे
Yeah.
डैड से आया है तो
Mhm.
मुझे लगता है ये 80% चीजें मुझे खैरात में मिल गई और बाकी
Mhm.
थोड़े अच्छे आसपास लोग मिल गए जिन्होंने who made sense in my life to me sometimes they would tell me wherever I'm going wrong so ये चीजें हुई और बस I think this is it because at the end of the day it's the people or it's the feel that you carry around with you matters which helps you in so to say surviving or whatever having patience or perseverance and all those things I think your company matters so I'm really proud to say that I was in good hands all the time and
Mhm.
all these close people of they were in my life they are still there and they'll always be there सो ये मतलब एक तरीके से संदीप भैया ही थे बहुत सारे मेरी लाइफ में जो आज शायद जो जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया और
हाँ.
होता है देर आर मोमेंट्स यू फील कि कुछ वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसे कभी फील नहीं होता था ऑफ कोर्स होता था और बतेरी बार हुआ है
Mhm.
बट आई थिंक वी नीड टू फोकस उससे निकलना ना कि उसमें रहना
True.
तो मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ी मेरी भी थोड़ी बहुत जो समय के साथ सीखा है थोड़ा सा वाइस हुए हैं समय के साथ तो थोड़ा वो भी था तो मैं आई ऑलवेज ट्राइड नॉट टू dwell into things but to come out and create things that's what I have been focusing on and I've seen people growing around me so instead of comparing myself to them I always used to get inspired from them but it's so nice he's doing ये बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है so even I can do it let's do
Mhm.
you are somewhere wrong let's change things because
Yeah.
you cannot change the world you can change somebody is you
Yeah.
yourself so that's what I focused in.
Mhm. This is very inspiring. Thank you so much for putting this out.
I feel that genuinely.
Mhm. So, when you started out, what were the kind of obstacles and challenges you had faced?
When I started out, Aditi, frankly speaking, I got my first film when I was studying in FTI, and I thought कि
Mhm.
फिल्म वहां से निकलते निकलते फिल्म रिलीज होगी एंड चीजें एकदम
They'll be
चकाचौंध
viral.
रहेंगी
Yep. Yeah.
बट वैसा हुआ नहीं मेरी पहली फिल्म जब शूट किया मैंने वो 5 साल बाद रिलीज हुई और उस
Oh.
दौरान आई डिड 5 to 6 फिल्म्स कुछ बनी जो रिलीज नहीं हुई कुछ बनी नहीं कुछ बन के सिर्फ फेस्टिवल्स में गई Ballad of Rustam was one of them which went for Oscars shortlisted it was shortlisted in Oscar contentions for 2014 in the best feature film category so कुछ इस तरीके से गई आगे और कुछ ऐसा मामला जमा नहीं तो ऑफ
Huh.
कोर्स लो मोमेंट्स थे मेरे लाइफ में कि मुझे बिकॉज आई नेवर प्लान व्हेन आई केम इन दिस इंडस्ट्री कि यार अपन 5 साल देखेंगे क्या होगा यहाँ 6 साल देखेंगे यहाँ 10 साल देखेंगे आई नेवर हैड दीज थॉट्स आई
Mhm.
न्यू दैट आई एम हियर आई विल बी हियर फॉर गुड कुछ सर्वाइवल हो जाए उतना काफी है
Mhm.
और उतना तो मुझे लगता है कि ऊपर वाला हर किसी को दे ही देता है तो उसका भी
Mhm.
मुझे टेंशन नहीं था तो जैसा कि मैंने कहा पॉजिटिविटी तो वो
हाँ.
वहां से मुझे मैंने उसी उसी चीज से अपने आप को सस्टेन किया और थोड़ा सा अपने आप में मैंने फोकस किया एज आई सेड आई
Mhm.
ओनली फोकस्ड ऑन माई सेल्फ जस्ट हाउ आई कैन मेक माई सेल्फ बेटर और वही कुछ कुछ चीजें इंस्पायर कर देती थी जैसे 3 इडियट्स में वो बात थी कि तुम सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो इतने अच्छे इंजीनियर बनोगे तो सक्सेस तुम्हारे पीछे है
Yeah.
सो मैं भी यही सोचता था कि तुम ना इतना अच्छे एक्टर बन जाओ ना कि तुम काम करते रहो अपना चुपचाप कोई भी रोल्स करो शायद कभी कुछ हो ऐसा इतना मैंने नहीं सोचा था बट मैंने बस इतना ही सोचा था कि काम करते रहो मेरी
हाँ.
प्रेयर्स भी चेंज हो गई थी लाइफ में जब थोड़ी थोड़ी इतने साल तक कुछ नहीं हुआ ना तो मेरे प्रेयर्स ऐसी हो गई थी चेंज की भगवान मुझे बस काम कराते रहना
Mm-hmm.
मुझे बस अंतिम सांस तक एक्टिंग करनी है,
Okay.
बाकी गुजारा कर लेंगे बस।
हाँ.
तो आज भी मैं वही प्रे करता हूँ।
So, as an artist, how do you take care of your mental health? You know, क्योंकि आप खुद creative space में हो, and sometimes it gets really overwhelming, and depression and anxiety has been so prevalent due to work pressure. So, how do you take care of yourself?
See, it's very simple. I think we all should, be
Hmm,
open in terms of sharing what we feel. Very, very important, because most of the times you don't know what is going into your closest friend's head.
that's
ठीक है,
true.
तो कभी कभी लेकिन पता चल जाता है कुछ गड़बड़ है,
हाँ.
you know. So you need to be very vigilant, because the times are such. I've been speaking about this in a few interviews, that the times are such, that log itne shant ho ja rahe hain, and they are not talking, they are not expressing. So you sometimes need to nudge them, and
Yeah.
you need to be there for them. And at the same time, for yourself, if you feel anything, you need to share. You need to bring those things out. And also, I think there's no harm if nahi ho pa raha hai in sab cheezon se. You can see a psychiatrist. It's like a doctor, यार.
Okay. Yeah.
आपको फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम होती है, आप फिजिशियन के पास चले जाते हो. मेंटल प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जा सकते हो. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई वी क्रिएट अ टैबू कि ये पागल है. सो दैट आई
Hmm.
थिंक आई वांट टू कन्वे दैट कि ऐसे मत सोचो, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स वो आदमी क्या फील कर रहा है, या वो
That's
औरत क्या
true.
फील कर रही है. you
Hmm.
you don't understand. You need to have empathy. That's the biggest thing I've learned in all these years. मुझे कभी भी कहीं से अगर कुछ लगता है कि ये कैसा गड़बड़ कर रहा है, मैं तुरंत सोचता हूँ, वेट, यू नो व्हाट इज ही गोइंग थ्रू. उसके लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है आज, उसके शायद घर पे कोई ठीक ना हो.
Yeah.
देयर कुड बी एन नंबर ऑफ रीजंस.
True.
इट्स अ वेरी वेरी स्मॉल एग्जांपल है. आप कहीं पे हो, एक सेटअप में हो, आप सोचते हो कि एक आदमी आपको ऐसे देख के चला गया. आप सोचते हो कितना रूड है यार,
हाँ.
कैसा आदमी है, देख के स्माइल भी नहीं किया. बट
Yeah.
आपको क्या पता उसके सर में भयंकर दर्द हो, वो
Maybe
आपको
it
थोड़ी
goes.
मालूम है.
Yeah.
So if you don't know that, so
Yeah.
we tend to make everything about us and around us. But brother, you are not important. You are just a tiny particle. We all are just. ऊपर से जाके देखो तो we are just nothing.
True.
So what are we? इतना गुरूर किस बात का? I mean, कुछ भी
Mm-hmm.
नहीं है हम लोग.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's what I think. So I think we should share. You should have people to talk to. And अगर काम नहीं हो रहा है कोई बात नहीं, but do things whatever you like. ऐसा कोई नॉर्म नहीं है कि आज यही करना है, ऐसा ही जीना है, इसी जिंदगी यही, ऐसा वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टल करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आपको जो अच्छा लगता है, आपको जो फील अच्छा कराए ना, डू दैट. दैट इज गुड फॉर योर मेंटल हेल्थ. यू लाइक टू प्ले cricket, play. You like to read. You don't like to do anything and sit
Then don't
silently,
do
do
it.
that.
Yeah.
Whatever works for you. You want to play a video game, please do that. Whatever works for you, whatever makes you feel happy, and that those chemicals activate होते हैं, कुछ होते हैं, that make you happy. You need
Yeah.
to you need to do that. Tom sir used to tell us in FTI, तुमको क्रिकेट खेलना अच्छा लगता है, तुम रोज खेलो, अच्छा फील करो, वो जरूरी है. क्योंकि जब तुम अच्छा फील करोगे तब तुम मन का कर पाओगे जो आपको करना है, तब आपका मन क्लियर रहेगा. देन यू विल नो व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. देन यू विल हैव अ डायरेक्शन वेयर यू वांट टू गो. देन यू विल हैव अ पाथ in due course of time what you want to do. But you need to be happy, content, peaceful at all times.
I think this conversation needs to happen.
Yeah, I mean, people should know this. People should, I mean, many people know it also,
Yeah.
but at the sometimes वो लोग उस सिचुएशन में होते हैं ना, तो वो नहीं समझ पाते हैं. सो वी नीड टू टेल देम, वी नीड टू नज. आपके जो क्लोज लोग, हर कोई अपने, हर किसी के पास एक या दो जन तो क्लोज होते ही.
हाँ.
तो अगर वही हर कोई अगर उनका ख्याल रख लेगा ना,
Hmm.
उससे ज्यादा कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं.
True. So, you know, Sunny, looking back and now the way forward, are you happy how things are shaping up for you in the industry?
Yeah, I can't be happier than this, because um, 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 the kind of जिस तरीके से ये एस्पिरेंट्स और फैमिली मैन एंड चाचा विधायक हैं हमारे भी, जो किया था, तो
हाँ.
ये सारी चीजें. एंड आई एम हैप्पी, बिकॉज कई बार क्या होता है, लोग पीपल कंप्लेन ना, एक ही टाइप के रोल मिल रहे हैं. सो
Yeah.
मैं तो वो भी नहीं, मेरे साथ तो मतलब ऊपर वाले की देन है, अलग अलग तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स मिले। लाइक चाचा विधायक में मैं इंदौरी हूँ, यूएस रिटर्न, थोड़ा सा मिक्स करके,
हम्म
थोड़ी इंग्लिश भी बोलता है, तो इंदौर का तो हूँ ही मैं।
हम्म
फिर एस्पिरेंट्स में आई एम प्लेइंग हरियाणवी गाय, लाइक
या
the senior person, तो वो थोड़ा अलग था। Then Milind, he's not mentally fine, and he has his things, depression, guilt, anxiety. So एकदम अलग अलग चीजें एक साथ आ गई। So इससे बेटर और क्या हो सकता है आदित्य जी?
So, what are the upcoming projects that you're working on? Because I'm really looking forward to see you more on screen. And not only me, हम सब कि संदीप भैया को देखना है सबसे पहले. This is the sort of thing everybody has now.
थैंक यू आदित्य जी। मैं फिलहाल एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, मैं लॉकडाउन के पहले से ही कर रहा था, वो रुक गई थी।
अच्छा.
तो वो ही अभी चल रही है, तो वो फिल्म होगी। फिलहाल वो ही है, बाकी बातचीत काफी चल रही है। लेट्स सी।
Mm-hmm.
I think the best will happen. I'm sure of that.
So, is there anything you'd want to say to your younger self when you were facing the camera for the first time?
Uh, yeah, I would just say one thing, yeah. Take it easy. Because you know, I was like very hyper. तरीके से करना है, अच्छे से करना है, और
Perfect.
कमाल कर देना है। अरे नहीं करना है कमाल यार,
Yeah,
कमाल नहीं करना है, बस कर देना है।
true.
कमाल नहीं करना है। कमाल करते नहीं हो, कमाल होता है, क्योंकि आप अकेले कर ही नहीं सकते हो कमाल। ये काम ही नहीं है अकेले करने का, ये
हाँ.
टीम करती है कमाल। तो ये जो नोशन है ना कि कमाल कर देना है, एकदम फाड़
Hmm.
देना है, फेयर इनफ। तुम फाड़ भी दोगे ना शायद, फिर भी वो उतना फटेगा नहीं, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट वन पर्सन प्रोसेस, इट्स अ कोलैबोरेटिव प्रोसेस, इट्स अ टीम वर्क। सो अगर कहीं कमाल करना है ना, तो टीम बिल्डिंग में कमाल करो। लोगों को समझो, लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट दो, उनको इज्जत दो, और उनके नजरिए को समझो। कमाल वहां करो, बाकी कमाल खुद ही हो जाएंगे। दैट्स व्हाट
You
आई
sound like Sandeep Bhaiya again, you know. I mean, इतने अच्छे से आपने preach किया तो it's like Sandeep Bhaiya is only doing the talking now.
पता नहीं, ये शायद संदीप भैया तैयार हो रहे थे मेरे पिछले 10-12 साल में, तभी तो मैं बोलता हूँ मेरे पिछले 10-12 साल बहुत अच्छे थे। शायद उन्होंने मुझे तैयार किया यहाँ तक लाने के लिए।
हो सकता है.
हाँ,
So one,
हालांकि बहुत
yeah.
इतने अच्छे नहीं थे, लेकिन अच्छे थे।
So one thing which really inspires you to be a part of this industry.
I think the kind of magic that happens.
Mm-hmm.
I, Aditi, I still till date I get mesmerized. आप सिर्फ एक कुछ परफॉर्म करते हो, एक बंदा कैमरा करता है, इतना कमाल के सेट्स बनाते हैं,
Mm-hmm.
कॉस्ट्यूम देते हैं, सब कुछ देते हैं, बट आपको नहीं पता इवेंचुअली क्या होगा वहां पे
True.
स्क्रीन पर।
हाँ.
इट्स सम इसकी जो मिस्टीरियसनेस है ना फिल्म मेकिंग की,
हाँ.
that is what I look forward to, and that is what inspires me each day. That is what gives me an awe all the time, because मुझे नहीं पता कल ये कैसा प्रोजेक्ट आएगा। बहुत कमाल भी हो सकता है, बहुत खराब भी हो सकता है, इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ दैट, बट कुछ जादू तो होगा।
True.
खराब हो या अच्छा हो, कुछ जादू तो, कुछ एक मिस्ट्री है इसके पीछे। That is what I really love, and I don't want to unravel that. I want that mystery to be there always.